Yeah, I can't believe I keep forgetting my damn dolly. I'll tip it back to you. Let me squeeze in. Ready? Oh, what's up with that copper wire right there? Sheesh. Yo, Connor. What's up with that Bear Bright? Just take it right up to the end, then we'll just flop it straight down.
Everywhere.
Yep. Just keep going, keep going. Now let her, just flip her up. Let her fall. Wake up the neighbors. All right, I'll take this back up to your place.
I threw up my cart, I'm heading there now.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Awesome, bro, thanks. Oh, here, I got something for you.
For me?
Yeah. Yeah, I got about 36 bucks for the refrigerators, I think.
Oh, no
I had
kidding.
some other stuff on the
Yeah,
cart,
dude.
but I figure I'll just once in a while throw you a little something to keep it coming, you know?
Yeah, well, it'll keep coming. I've got 301 and 307. Pretty sure the stoves and dryers, because that's my number one
Yeah.
bed. So
Yeah, I saw that.
Dryers don't weigh much, but them stoves, it's really not the metal, it's the bricks in them. But
Yeah. All right, brother. Got some new tires.
Yeah, I just look at this front.
Whoa, they're clean. You must be running through the grass. Yeah. All right, brother.
See you, bro.
Later. Put that like that. Ain't going nowhere.